Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can transfer the money from the Skrill account. If you want to transfer an international amount, you can also do that. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the Skrill account, and after going to the Skrill account, what we have to do we have to log in our account. You can also use the website or the mobile app as well. So now what we need to do, we have to go to the transfer section, and after going to the transfer section, we have to click on the international money transfer. So let's click on this. We have to click on the international money transfer. After clicking on international money transfer, what we have to do, we have to choose an account number. For example, if you want to choose any country, you have to choose the country, that which country you want to choose. For example, I have choose this one, and I'm going to choose the amount like the $10. As you can see, I have choose this amount. Now what we have to do, simply we have to go down, and then we have to click on the continue and pay. And as you can see, now we have to do, we have to provide the ID of that person. For example, I'm going to write the national ID here, then we have to provide the national ID. And after that, we have to click on the continue, and then we have to confirm the detail, and then the payment will be sent. I can't provide the details because it's I can't provide the details because of privacy. What we have to do, simply you have to provide the details according to your country. You need to provide the details of according to your country, that which country you have selected. I have selected the Pakistan. That's why they are asking about the national ID, and then we have to provide the details according to your country. And after that, the amount will be transferred. So in this way, you can do an international transaction on the Skrill account. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.